In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this Samsung. You need to begin by opening Play Store and getting Gboard Keyboard to have autocorrection on your Samsung. So type in Gboard, get this free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now choose Enable in Settings, click on this gray sweater next to Gboard, and tap on OK in Attention pop-up. Finally, select the back button, choose Select Input Method, and pick Gboard from the list. Lastly, click on Done and close Gboard app. Then go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down to access General Management. Now pick Gboard Settings, select Text Correction, and scroll down just a bit. Lastly, tap on this sweater next to autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!